Good morning. How are you? You feed them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still... Successful goal.
I heard my baby crying for help.